Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today. You might recognize the red circuit behind me. And this is going to be a third time, and the third time is going to be the charm. So this is Jordan's circuit. It's the one that we put the OTL Downpipe on, and 5 days later, he caught the exhaust on something and it stretched it out. So then we took it off, put the OEM back on, and now we're back because the OTL has been fixed. So now we're going to slap that bad boy on, and this will be the final time on this car. So we're going to think positive, nothing bad, everything good from this point on. So I'm not going to do a full video on this because it's been there, it's done. You can kind of follow along for the story, but I thought I would just do a little quick thing and do a couple highlight picks, and we'll go from there. So join us for this adventure, the final time. We will have more things on this car though down the road, so you'll be able to see some suspension upgrades and things like that. So thanks for joining me today. Smash that like button and subscribe if you don't already, and let's get rolling. Got everything off. Got it off in record time. Jordan and I are getting really good at this. So we just put the OTL, the repaired one, back on. Got the V-band strapped around it like you can see. Do not tighten the V-band though until you get the little bracket that you can see right down there. There's a bracket with 2 bolts that go into the engine, the block, and then there's one 12 millimeter that goes into the downpipe. Leave those loose till you get all of them snug because you need to rotate the downpipe. So we'll get those are all on now. We'll get it tightened up. We'll get the V-band tightened because you can do that from the above, and with everything cleared out like you can see, it's really easy to get to it. It's right there. So, and then slap the O2 sensor back on, connect that wire, and we're basically done up top except for just putting everything back together as far as the pieces to gain access. We have everything bolted back together here. Got the mid-pipe on, attached to the exhaust, and the mid-pipe bracket here attached to the downpipe. O2 sensor back on. All the brackets are on and tightened down. Got the O2 sensor plugged in there, and the rest we can do from above. But while we were under here, we took the cover off real quick because Jordan had purchased a Racer X 60A pitch mount. So while we're under here, made sense to throw it on real quick. So this is super easy, guys. I've got a full video on it too, but this is a 22 millimeter bolt here, and this is a 22 millimeter bolt here. So you only need that to undo. On the OEM one, the nut is threaded into this piece right here, but on most aftermarket ones, they come separate. This is a 24 millimeter nut, and then we got 4 14s. Loosen this one right here first when you're taking it off. It's much easier to get it loose when it's bolted up here. And then take the 14s out, the 22 out. This whole thing will slide right out. And then you just replace this real quick with the same bolt, slap the nut and washer on it, and put it back up. These are 32 foot-pounds to be torqued. This is 125, and this is 148. So you need a good torque wrench to be able to get those higher numbers. And that's it. And this is a great, great mod. So we're gonna go ahead and put the cover back on, and we're done under here. We'll drop it and we'll finish putting everything back on up top. And Jordan will be good. And we will not be doing any catching here from now on. Third time's the charm, right guys? All right. So we got the car dropped down. Jordan's putting that first shield back in. So just 3 10 millimeter bolts that hold that. Oh, we gotta do the bracket first. Yep. Bracket has to go first. So there's a bracket that goes right on those 2 10s. And then, so that's just 2 10 millimeter nuts. Then this goes on with 3 And then we'll put the little piece of the downpipe and intake pipe hose on there. And so there you can see how that goes on those 210s. And once that's on, we'll put the wiper cowl on and it's back together. So you can see the O2 sensor. So, and we didn't make a mistake and forget to plug it in this time. Last time we forgot to plug that in. Had a dash full of lights when we started it up. So we got that plugged in, and we're just going to finish this up, and shouldn't take us more than about 10 minutes here to be done. So we are all done, and we'll do a little sound clip for you, even though it doesn't do much on the phone, but go ahead and hit it, Jordan. All the other stuff, except for your coilovers. All right.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get you coming by. I'll get him coming up the street here. Alrighty guys, hey, thanks for joining me today. Jordan's out of here. Got his OTL downpipe back on in record time. I'm getting really, really good at this now. So after mine and then doing his 3 different times with the OTL on, the OTL off, with OEM back on, and then back with the OTL on. We also included an installation of his Racer X pitch mount with the car up in the air. It's quick and easy to get that done. I didn't cover the whole thing because I do have a video on that, and I'll go ahead and link that in the description for anybody that's interested in that. And we'll go from there. So I'm going to pull my GR Corolla back in the garage. It's getting hot today. So I wanted to get this done in the morning. And hey, appreciate everybody coming along for the ride. Go ahead and please like and subscribe, share this, and hopefully the 3rd time was the charm on this for Jordan, and he's been excited to get this back installed. We will be doing some more things to his car coming up. So we have some NX coilovers to install on it and some Racer X adjustable sway bar links. So until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.